Simcenter 3D 2512 introduces selection recipe Boolean operations. Selection recipes are a huge time saver, but complex models require updatable selection combinations. Now, this complex process has been simplified with Boolean operations. In this example, 2 selection recipes already exist. To create a third that selects just the plates, we can subtract the weld bodies from all bodies. We select all bodies as our target and fillet T-joint as the tool, which gives us a Boolean result of just plates. If we update the model to include another plate and its welds, then unsuppressed plate assembly component and the weld features, we can see the updated assembly by switching to the FEM. We can also verify that the welds and plates selection recipes have been updated and find the new welds and plates in their selection recipes.